Oh, I don't even know what to call you. I don't know what to call you. I'm recording out the recording. Oh, recording out the recording. I ran off on the plug twice.
Hey everybody, welcome to Untitled, where we talk tech, finance, and some other stuff. I'm your host K-Baby, and today we're going to kick things off right with another installment of I review old stuff because I ain't got money like that. Or Iris Biashmolt. This time, you're in luck because they actually still make these. Today we're looking at the TP-Link mini smart plugs. TP-Link makes a long and growing list of smart home devices that all require no hub. But if you don't know what a smart plug is, it's an Internet of Things device that you plug into your dumb or unconnected to the internet receptacle that will then allow you to wirelessly control anything plugged into the smart plug. Smart plugs are like the best thing ever. But what makes these smart plugs even better is that they're mini, which means they do the same thing in a smaller form factor that allows space for multiple plugs in the same outlet. The setup is super simple. You insert the plug, wait a few seconds for the blue and orange lights to begin flashing, indicating that the plug is in pairing mode. This is where you turn on the Kosher app, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll have to connect to your Wi-Fi network, give your plug a name, and that's it. Well, of course, plug something into the plug, but you knew that, right? Right? Now through the Kosher app, you have the ability to turn off devices that you otherwise would have had to do manually. Or do it with no hands by connecting Kosher to your Google Assistant or Alexa enabled devices and speak the commands. However, you're only going to be able to do simple on and off commands verbally. For the best of the features, you're going to want to get familiar with the Kosher app. When it comes to smart devices, the app is integral to real-world functionality of the product, like the app is generally what makes and breaks the customer satisfaction. So, if you're gadget shopping and only looking at product reviews and not the app reviews, you're doing it wrong. The reviews on the apps 2 years ago is what made me select the TP-Link over the other popular brands, and I haven't regretted it. The app is fast, it's easy to use, it always works, and the best part is I never recall having a lag in communication. When I select a command in app, it happens right then. Unfortunately, I can't say the same when there's cross-communication with other smart home systems like Google Assistant, though I'd argue that's more of the other party's issue than it is an issue with Kosher. I'm sorry. I've told you all this stuff about how great the plugs are and how great the app is, but as far as you know, you can only turn things on and off. Through the app, you can set up schedules, set timers, include them in scenes, create basic automations, among other Kosher-based products, of course, called Smart Actions. Just one of the features that makes Smart Actions significant is the ability to automatically have a duration that the plug will shut off after it has been turned on if you forget to turn things off, like a space heater, because you don't want to burn your Kosher down. Oh shoot, I forgot to say it has a button on the side that acts as a manual switch. That's cool too. It's important to note that there are limitations with the plug. The plug does require ground. Now, that's not really a limitation, but some people living with older electrical systems may find that a problem. The plug is the US standard 120 volt at 15 amps, so be careful as to what you're plugging in. No high-powered air conditioner units, nor heaters, microwaves. Like why you would have that on the schedule, I don't know. The Smart Actions that I just talked about also has a downside, as it can only run 3 actions at a time, which, as whack as that is still better than a year ago when that feature didn't even exist. So, I'm hopeful that it will be expanded in the near future. Also through the app, you can monitor usage through runtime of each device, but no look here if you're looking to track actual energy usage. They do have the option for monitoring energy usage, but that's for the bigger smart plugs and for their smaller smart power strips. Hey there, I'm Future Kyle. So as I went to TP-Link's website to find some footage and images of their energy monitoring plugs, I discovered that coming soon is a mini plug that is energy monitoring. Should I say slim? I honestly don't know the difference between slim and mini. Alright now, bye bye for now. I'll be honest, I haven't used many other smart plugs, but I can say these are among the best because they work every time. I've never had one fail on me. You can use these to replace your old lamp timer, start your coffee maker in the morning before you get out of bed, or be like me and connect your AC unit to Google to grant you hands-free commands, along with connecting to your thermostat to make you feel like you've actually got central air. Either way you integrate these into your home, they're a great way to simplify some of your routine, especially since their entry cost is generally between $30 and $40 for a 2-pack. However, I bought mine when I saw them on sale for $10 individually, and I'm pretty sure I've seen them cheaper since then, like $8 or something like that. Would like to add that they should throw in some color sometime or add a 20 amp model to the mini lineup, but they're the ones doing the market research and maybe it's not advantageous, whatever. Thanks for watching. Like, share, ask questions. Hit subscribe if you already haven't. Hit the bell for notifications if you already have. See me soon.
Is the elephant heavy? I'm coming back, baby.